Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to install WordPress in Cpanel. Let's get started. Well, the very first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Cpanel hosting account using your provided username and password. As you can tell, I have already logged in and my theme is set to Jupyter and using Mocha web hosting as my hosting platform. WordPress is a CMS that comes for free and supports many developers in creating responsive websites. To install WordPress CMS in cPanel, you'll have to navigate into the Tools section, and inside the Tools section, you will find WordPress. Notice that I have WordPress managed by Mocha, which comes in as a custom element from Mocha. However, for many of you who are using any other cPanel, you'll navigate into the script section and scrolling through, you'll find a variety of tools you can use. Our interest is on WordPress, so I'll click on WordPress to start the installation process. And there's a number of tools that appear at the top section. There is the installation option, there's overview, features, demos, and importation. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to set up the protocol. I'll leave it as HTTP since I'll be installing my own SSL in my server. I'll then choose the domain name where I want to install, the directory which I'll leave as root right now, but if I wanted to have it in a subdirectory in my root folder, I'll then create that subdirectory. I can also choose the version of WordPress to install from the latest 6.2 at the time of recording all the way to the earlier versions like 4.9.22 of WordPress. I'll then navigate into the site settings and I have the ability to set up the site title and the site descriptions. These are those texts that appear at the very top of the browser as the title. I'll also have other options, including setting up my admin account so that I can maneuver and manipulate my WordPress from the back end. I can set up the username as admin and then type in a password that is strong enough for hackers not to get into. I can then set up an email account that will be used as the admin email to send any notifications that WordPress would like to send. Remember, you can also customize whether you want to disable WordPress cron and also if you want to enable multi-sites. This will be covered in a class a little bit ahead. We have other options that are not compulsory. Those include you can choose a language of your choice from the drop-down menu, and also you can choose which plugins can be installed during the installation of your WordPress. Once you're done with the plugin installation, if you navigate downwards, you'll find other alternative settings that you can have. If you'll want to install alongside your WordPress installation a WordPress theme, then this is the section where you choose any theme of your choice. After selecting the theme of choice, I'll navigate into the install option. If I want to get an update whether the installation has been complete, I'll then enter in an email installation detail where the message will be sent to. I'll click on install and WordPress will start doing its magic behind the scene. Once the installation is complete, WordPress will successfully show you the congratulations message showing you the different URLs that you can click to access your WordPress site. And of course, at the lower section, a little bit of a tweet that you can make to share with your friends that you have installed WordPress. I'll navigate into the WordPress installation file. This is the website, and voila, WordPress has just been installed, and this is how the theme looks like. If I want to navigate into the WordPress admin panel, I'll navigate into the URL and put a /wp-admin, and I can now log in with my username and password during my installation of the WordPress. Well, thank you for following along on this video, and I'll see you in the next nugget.